The biggest lie Wall Street ever told you is that you have to be a genius to start investing. You don't need a complex strategy or a background in finance to begin building a portfolio. In 2026, the people losing the most are those trying to outsmart the system, constantly checking apps, reacting to headlines, and overtrading. For most, high activity just leads to high fees and missed timing. The alternative is what we call the lazy portfolio. It is a methodical strategy that takes about 15 minutes to configure. Once it's running, the maintenance is minimal, requiring only one check-in per year. To follow these steps today, you need an open investing app, a linked bank account, and at least $50. If you have those ready, you have everything required to set the system in motion. By removing active human decision-making, we rely on the historic growth of the markets. This systematic approach, owning the entire market rather than picking stocks, has a track record of outperforming the majority of actively managed professional funds over long periods. Step 1. Open your brokerage app and navigate to the search bar. We are going to start with the asset that will form the backbone of your holdings. Avoid searching for individual hype stocks. Trying to predict the next 12 months for a single company like Apple or Tesla requires more data than most retail investors can access. Instead, we look for a broad market index fund. This is a single asset that holds a small portion of every major company in a specific economy, allowing you to benefit from the general upward trend of that country's business sector. If you are in the US, search for an S&P 500 ETF. This gives you a stake in the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. If you are in India, search for a Nifty 50 index fund. This allows you to track the performance of the top 50 companies driving the Indian economy. Now, look at this allocation. This foundation fund should represent 80% of your total investment. This is your primary engine for growth over the coming decades. This fund is self-correcting. If a company fails, it is removed from the index and replaced by a growing one. By holding this, you are betting on the resilience of the entire economy rather than the luck of a single CEO. Go back to the search bar for step 2. We allocate 10% of the portfolio to a tech or AI-focused ETF. In 2026, technology is the primary driver of productivity. This 10% slice captures the specific growth within the software and semiconductor sectors. Finally, search for a hard asset ETF, like gold or a Bitcoin-linked fund, and allocate the final 10% there. The purpose of this last slice is preservation. Hard assets often move independently of the stock market, acting as a potential buffer against inflation or periods where central banks increase the money supply. Open your order summary or cart. You should see your total budget split between these 3 assets: the broad market, the tech sector, and a hard asset. This 80-10-10 structure is balanced. It provides the stability of the entire economy, a small exposure to high-growth tech, and a 10% hedge for protection. How you buy these assets is just as important as what you choose. Switch your order type from a one-time purchase to a recurring investment. Set the frequency to weekly. By choosing a specific day, like Friday, you turn the investment into a consistent habit rather than a sporadic decision. You might notice that one full share of these funds costs more than your initial $50. In the past, that would have been a barrier to entry. Today, apps use fractional shares. This allows you to buy a small slice of a fund based on the dollar amount you have, rather than needing to afford the full price of a single share. Type your chosen amount into the order box. Even starting with $50 a week creates a baseline that you can adjust as your income increases. The difficulty isn't the setup, it's staying the course. When the market has a bad week and the news is negative, your instinct will be to stop the recurring payment. This is where the math works in your favor. By investing the same dollar amount every week, you naturally buy more units of the fund when prices are low and fewer when they are high. Over years, this lowers your average cost and removes the need to time the market. Now that your assets are selected and your frequency is set, hit the Submit or Confirm button on your screen. Look for the confirmation. This indicates that your automated plan is officially in the system. By completing this, you have moved from a spectator to a participant. You have established a consistent process that most people never start. Over the next decade or more, these weekly additions accumulate. As the portfolio grows, the returns themselves can eventually generate their own earnings. This compounding process is slow at first, but it is the primary way wealth is built over a working career. Let me know in the comments which foundation you chose for your 80%. Are you tracking the S&P 500 or the Nifty 50? Don't wait for a perfect moment to enter the market. The history of the stock market suggests that time spent invested is more important than timing the entry. Start the process, let the math work, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more practical tools for your portfolio.